So what's one of the most popular food cravings? The craving for a good sandwich, definitely. And the tuna sandwich is one of the easiest and quickest to make at home. So let's see how to make a good tuna sandwich. So here we have 2 cans of tuna, that's flaked tuna in water. Drain the water from the tuna and add to a bowl. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise. You can add more mayonnaise later if you feel the need for it. Now we're going to stir the tuna so that it becomes more spreadable. We also add a half a teaspoon of mild mustard. I'm using mild American mustard here. You can use a fork to get the tuna even smoother. We're also going to add 1 shallot that has been minced finely. So now I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of mayonnaise, just enough to make it spreadable. Now I like my tuna sandwich slightly chunky. If you want a more smooth consistency, use a fork and get the flakes even finer. Now here I have dill. Adding fresh dill to your tuna sandwich gives it a really nice fresh fragrance, and it's really delicious. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chopped fresh dill here. And of course we need salt and pepper. I've added a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I also added 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika. Now you really do need to chill the tuna filling for at least half an hour before making the sandwiches for best results. And when you're ready to make your sandwich, we need to shred some fresh lettuce. Iceberg lettuce, fresh and crunchy. So you can use your favorite sandwich bread. I'm using white bread today. Apply a thin layer of mayonnaise on both slices of bread. Now apply a generous layer of the tuna filling on 1 slice of bread. Top with plenty of lettuce. And your sandwich is ready. Slice in half and serve while they're still chilled. So that's a really quick and easy sandwich for you, the ever popular, easy to make tuna sandwich. Please let us know in the comment section what you like to add to your tuna sandwich. Thanks for watching.